Okay, well, I thought the best place to start this video was on top of a dumpster. We're trying to, oh, there's a spot right there. I need to use that space. So, as you can see, we've almost filled up this dumpster. This is, I think, a 30 or 35 yarder. I gotta climb down here. Okay, so let's go inside and see what kind of progress we've made. Flooring's all the way out in the main living areas. It might be a little bit hard to tell. Right here, there used to be a wall. Boom. Over here, there used to be a wall. That was a closet right there. There used to be a wall that went this way, which is where that sink used to be right there. We've torn out the plaster and drywall on the ceiling. Kitchen's opened up real nicely. We're going to take the cabinets all the way out to that wall. So as you can see, we're really opening the space. There was old school fiberglass insulation, which I had added some cellulose insulation on top of that. And as far as I could reach, I had added this metal paint that was able to increase the efficiency of the insulation that was there. I think technically I had like R20, but because of this spray, it was supposedly supposed to bring it up to R28. I'm going to be adding spray foam to make it better. So over here, one of the things that I'm going to do is I am going to move this duct up. I'm going to raise this ceiling so that the hallway doesn't have this extremely low, I mean, I can touch it standing here, extremely low ceiling. I'm going to move the AC out here. I'm thinking about doing an exposed ductwork, commercial style, right across this whole living space. Mario doesn't seem to be a fan, and Greta, my wife, doesn't seem to be a fan, but I think it really adds something to it. I don't know. And then I could continue it down that peak into the bedrooms. All right, the other thing, obviously, that we've been able to do here is we started taking out this closet, and we've taken out part of the master bath wall. This is going to be the hallway heading into the master suite. I had my my 10-year-old, my 6-year-old in here busting up tile. This is the 10-year-old, and Greta did this. I think Greta did half of that, and the 10-year-old did the other half. I'm pretty impressed with what they're able to do. We're going to come in, we're going to put all the new PEX lines in here, reconfigure where everything is. And here's the demo we've done in this bathroom. One of the things that I did also to increase the efficiency of my home was I added spray core to the concrete block. So that's what all that stuff is that came in through a hole in the wall and filled it up. Anyway, pretty good stuff. If there's anything specific that you would like to see, let me know, and I'll make sure to send you an update video of that. Take care.